Preventing listeria is critical for the food manufacturing industry. Failure to control Listeria monocytogenes can have serious consequences for consumers and food businesses. Contamination can lead to listeriosis outbreaks and product recalls that seriously damage brand reputation and lead to financial loss. Delegates will learn about Listeria biology, relevant food safety testing methods, outbreak causes, and principles of control programs. The upcoming change to the criterion for Listeria monocytogenes under EU Regulation 2024/2895 will be discussed too. Enroll today and protect your business from Listeria now.